Hello, digital family. Today, we're showing you how to create an account on the currently most popular social media platform, TikTok. To start, you'll need to install the TikTok application from Google Play or the App Store. Search for TikTok. Press install, and wait for a moment. Once the app is installed, click on Open. Now, you'll need to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on Agree and Continue. Here, you can choose the content you want to follow. If you don't want to do this right now, select the Skip option. I will select Beauty and Style, Food, and Arts. We've chosen our content, and now we'll click on Next. Click on Start Watching. You'll see TikTok suggested content. Swipe up to watch more videos. Now, let's set up our profile. Click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. As you can see, there are multiple ways to create an account. We'll choose the option, Continue with Google, and create the account using an email address. You'll need to be logged into your email beforehand. Select the email address you want to use to create your account. Enter your date of birth. Click on Next. Create your nickname. Click on Confirm. By clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner, you can see your account. We hope this video was helpful to you, and please follow us if you liked the tutorial.